What's up everybody, Lucas and Jaclyn here. You ready for some fall festive fun? So we are going to try to make our own homemade lemon Lara bars and see how they compare. I'm gonna make one, Jaclyn's gonna make one, we're in a little competition, and then we're gonna compare it to the original Lara bar, see which one is the best. So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this video, pay attention, maybe you can make your own Lara bars better at the end of this video. But you gotta focus. First ingredient is dates, so I'm going for the dates on this. I don't know how you're gonna do this. You can explain. We're taking different
I'm
techniques.
just gonna do it by feel.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna pit these, you should always pit these, because the center of a date is like a seed, and that is very hard. Break your tooth. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start mashing it actually with my fingers. Wow, it's sugary.
Well, I'm gonna copy your technique.
What? Should be doing this in different rooms.
Yeah, we should. Too bad. This is really working already.
Yeah. So if you just mash a date with your finger, it actually gets mashed down pretty well.
Turns into nothing.
Here's the original one.
Pretty much already there.
I know, look, it's pretty much exactly the same. Alright, that's good enough for now. What's the second ingredient on this one?
Cashews.
No! It's almonds.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm just gonna throw a couple in there. A few. I'm gonna try and crack them down with a fork.
We allowed to use like knives and stuff?
Yeah.
Or
Teeth? Yeah. Oh, you're gonna spit it in there?
Spit it in.
I'm smashing my almonds with a fork. Smashing them down nice and like.
I'm gonna cut mine.
Jaclyn's using a cutting board here.
This is gonna work.
Yeah, I think this is gonna work really well. Dropping some cashews now. Just like, maybe like 6-7 cashews too. Cashews seem to be a little smaller than almonds. Plus, I like cashews.
It's not about what you like, it's about if we can make it as close to a bar as possible.
Okay, I think I have too many cashews. I'm just gonna eat one. So literally all I have right here, 3.5 dates that I mashed together with my fingers and pitted. I took the little pits out right here. Then I just crushed up about 6 almonds and about 5 to 6 cashews, lost count. And now I'm beating Jaclyn in time. I'm gonna take these, I'm gonna roll this date thing in there. I'm gonna start to like knead it together, like that. Now I got this like ball. Alright,
Yours looks terrible.
no, mine's not done yet. Lemon juice concentrate. I have that right here. So lemon juice concentrate. Oh, this says not from concentrate, crap. Oh, alright, just a little bit. Honestly, just a teed. Just a drop. About a teaspoon of lemon juice concentrate. So we got this lemon juice extract from Whole Foods. The ingredients in this are alcohol, water, and lemon oil. So lemon oil is the last ingredient on the Lara bar. And I think that's what's really gonna give the Lara bar its zest. So I'm not gonna add too much, just a little bit here. Teaspoon's a little spoon. Oh, shoot.
Well, that smells
Woo!
like lemon, really strong.
It's okay.
I'm just like working in silence over here.
Yeah, you're still chopping, I'm almost done.
Well, mine's gonna be better than yours, clearly.
Yours is gonna be like dust. Mine's
It's
actually
not gonna be dust.
Mine's like actually looks like the Lara bar. You need some chunks.
No,
I'm
that's
sorry.
what the almonds are.
You know what? I think I'm gonna put another date in there, just one more. So 4.5 dates actually. To seal the deal here. I wonder if this was what Lara does when she makes these Lara bars.
How do you know it's a girl?
Put this in your kid's lunch.
Ew! Looks terrible.
Everyone's gonna be like, what the heck is that? Alright, so I'm just basically forming mine into a square now. So what are you doing exactly?
I don't know.
I'm gonna come film you in a second here. D-O-N-E.
Wow, that's actually not bad.
Done. Putting that right down. That's a mega Lara bar. Alright, there's mine right there. There's the original Lara bar. Ooh. Alright, Jaclyn. What are you doing over here?
Okay,
What are
so
you working on?
I have some dates, about 4.5. Some cashews that I finely chopped.
Oh, so you're putting those, you're gonna fold it like a blanket. Could the brute method of the bowl be the superior method?
Probably.
We'll
This is
find out.
terrible. It's gonna taste good. Picking up the extra.
Stuff is like going.
I think they need to be like harder packed than this though. Like we need to like really press it down and then cut it almost.
What? So you put the lemon juice in the bowl and then you rolled the the date almond cashew bubble around it, and now you're kneading it with your hands. Are you gonna choose to use the?
I don't know. I feel like it doesn't need it.
This is the original one right here.
Okay. I smell it. Ooh.
And there's mine.
I want it more hard packed than this. Ooh, no, that's too strong.
You're not gonna use any of that, okay? Oh, I see the finger technique. Just spread it on. Okay, yeah, that stuff is strong. So what are you doing over here?
I can't share my secrets.
It's more like a Cliff Bar now. Oh, look at this technique here. Using the parchment paper to press it down. So you packed it down tight. And now you're gonna put this thing in the freezer.
Yeah. Just give it like 10 minutes if that's okay.
Alright, yeah. We'll come back in 10, see what's up.
Okay. Pulling it out of the freezer.
It's been about 10 minutes.
It's like 5, but.
What's your technique now?
Oh yeah, this really worked.
Oh, doing a nice little fold right here. Oh, you're gonna trim it to size?
Yeah.
What?
So I'm at least gonna get points for aesthetics.
Trimming it to size.
Alright. That's mine.
Yo, not bad actually. That's actually pretty solid.
Thanks.
Yeah, so on the far left we have the original Lara bar. In the middle we have my masterpiece. And on the right we have Jaclyn's masterpiece. Most aesthetic is the Lara bar, obviously, the original Lara 1. So you take that point, Lara. But between Jaclyn and me, Jaclyn gets the point.
Thanks.
Wife got the point for most aesthetic. But I'm all about the taste. Okay, so would you like the first bite of the Lara bar to see what
No,
we
you
have?
taste. You
All
taste.
right.
So we do that one first?
Yeah.
So we gotta match them up?
This is the original Lara bar. We're gonna see what this tastes like. Well, I already know. It's delicious. Mmm.
That's really good.
Taste, texture. Grit. Lemony, sweet, crunchy.
It is pretty lemon.
Alright, trying out the first homemade Lara bar. Mine. You wanna have the first
No,
bite,
let
honey?
me take it.
Really?
I do not want to try it.
Oh, it's a little more gamey than the original one. Oh, it smells about right?
Oh, I do not want to try this. Oh, it's delicious.
It's a little softer.
The nuts are good though.
Wow, it's pretty good. Oh, I don't know. It tastes
Other than that, that was pretty right on.
pretty close. Pretty close. The texture was a little different, but the taste was pretty close. Wow. Sorry.
Man, I'm worried now. Because I did not put that much lemon.
Alright, taste yours first?
Do I go for it?
Sure, yeah.
Mine's harder than yours.
Yeah, yours is probably gonna have the right texture. A little harder. Ooh.
You might have had the right taste.
Your texture is more like it.
Maybe yours?
I had the better taste. Not better, but like
More close to
like the lemon.
Yeah, let me try yours one more time.
So we're trying to mimic that lemon. I put a little more lemon oil in there, so I think that's
Yeah.
Let's see.
If I would have put more lemon oil,
Mmm.
let me try regular Lara again.
Lemon oil. Yeah, because your texture was right on. So if I just put a little lemon oil right on the tip of yours.
You did.
Oh.
Oh!
Let's try. Oh, it tastes like rubbing alcohol.
Yeah, I'm not gonna try that. I might like yours better than Lara's.
Woo! Holy moly. Well, the first ingredient in this lemon extract is alcohol, but oh my gosh.
What do you like better between yours and Lara? Yours is pretty good.
Lara's, she's gonna hold together well, you know?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yours is weird because it's soft.
Lara's got a better texture, honestly. It's like closer to your texture. It's like less wet. Mine's like so wet, it's kind of gross.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of gross me out, honestly. So at the end of the day, this is probably the easiest, and it only costs $1 at Kroger. But for some fall festive fun, you know, you can make your own granola, your own customized Lara-like bar at your house for fun. You know, it's a nice little craft to do. We had fun making these.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun.
Are we gonna finish these, or are we just gonna, you know, we're gonna pack them up and save them for later?
Yeah.
Right? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope it was entertaining and fun. Let me know if you want us to make more baking experiment videos like this, or cooking or whatever experiment videos like this. Peace, y'all have a good one. We'll see you all in the next video.